So, do you want to know the 5 secrets of success that every entrepreneur should know to brand and grow their business? Well, if you want to know, keep watching. Well, hello, awesome people. I am Marsha, Lynn, Hudson, your social media and branding strategist. And if you are new to me and this channel, we give tips and tools and strategies to help you brand and build and grow your business. And we also give entrepreneur tips, productivity, time management, everything that you need to know as a business owner. So I hope you like our channel. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, which is once a week, you will get notified. So today I want to talk about the 5 secrets that every entrepreneur should know. Okay, so let's dive into it. I hope you have a pen and paper and you are ready for these 5 secrets. Number 1, every entrepreneur should know how to clarify their message. It's so important before we get on social media, before we sign up for Facebook or Instagram, we have to clarify our message. What is your message? What do you do for your ideal audience? What can you provide for them? For example, I have a 1-sentence message and I challenge you to get a 1-sentence message. So when you go networking or wherever, this is what you do. I help entrepreneurs build and brand and grow their business online. It's just that simple, okay? And know what you do. I also help people with action plans. So I even have a second mission statement. I help entrepreneurs with action plans to build and brand and grow their business online. Clarify your message. People want to know, what is it that you do for me? Let them know. So write it down, write 1 sentence or get you 2 and let people know. Think about it. What is it that you do for people? What is it that you do for your ideal audience? Which leads me to secret number 2. Who is your audience? Okay. Now, you don't want to try to serve everybody. Everybody is not your audience. You want to focus on a target audience. And I know this because I used to try to focus on so many audiences and it drove me crazy. And now I focus on the entrepreneur. And mainly my audience is the entrepreneur who is working and they maybe have a side business or they're starting up their business and they want to know how to brand and how to grow online. And usually it's a woman of a certain age group and a certain income range. I know who I'm going to target now, because when you know your target audience, and it's not everybody, you need to focus that. When you know that audience, then you know how to create the type of content, because you can't create content on social media for a 20-year-old woman who is just coming out of college as you would a 48-year-old woman who's been in her business a little while. They have different interests, right? So that leads me to secret number 3. Then once you've clarified your message, you know who your audience is, you are ready now to decide, how do you want to be found? What social media sites or what digital tools do you want to use to be found? So you may decide that you want to be on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest. Not all of them. I say pick 1 to 2 sites and brand yourself on those 2 sites. Then later on, if you need to or you want to, you can add some others, but you don't need to be everywhere every day. If things have changed, you can be online and brand your business 2-3 days a week. Just be consistent with 1 or 2 sites. So once you've decided who your audience is and you find out where it is that they hang out, those are the social media sites that you want to be on. And those are also some tools that you want to use to let people know about you, such as email marketing or podcasts or blogging. Those are all tools. And social media is a powerful tool, but it's not the only tool. Okay, and so the next secret is you want to start building relationships and making connections. So how do you do that? Through groups. Okay, Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups are wonderful for building connection. So I always say join 2 or 3 groups, be active in the group once a week, answer questions in the group, put motivational sayings in the group, be seen, let people see who you are, and that will drive people to your page. So groups are great for building connections and relationships and getting people to trust you, because people buy from people they trust with. And the last secret that every entrepreneur should know is to how to have a plan and a schedule. You have to have a plan and you have to have a schedule, because life is so hectic and we're so busy wearing so many hats, right? How do you plan? How do you plan the brand? How do you plan to get your message out there? How do you do it when you're so busy or you're working and you got a lot going on? Well, you have to do what I call time blocking. Okay, so if you can have a planning day, one day of the week where you can plan all of your content. This is what I'm going to do on social media. This is the message I'm going to have this week. This is the theme I'm going to use. Or whether you're email marketing, this is the email I'm going to send out. So one day of planning, I do this myself, is good. You may need an hour that one day to just plan for the upcoming week. And then you plan what days you're going to actually be online and showing up, whether you do a video with your phone or you post something on your social sites. That doesn't take you long if you've already done the planning. So we have to, like I say, I like to write down my top 2 or 3 things that I'm going to do every day. I have this long list of things to do. You probably have this long list of things to do, but I always focus on the top 2 or 3 that day, just in case I can't get everything done. So start making a plan where you prioritize and you focus on 2 or 3 things that you're going to really go into for building your business each day. One of them may be learning something. You may decide, I'm going to watch a YouTube video, or I'm going to watch a Facebook Live, or you may want to do some learning, or I'm going to read a blog or an article. So that may be one of your things. So we have to have a plan. We have to have a schedule, because we're so busy, and we have to be consistent. So I hope that these 5 secrets that every entrepreneur should know if they want to grow and build a brand online that people will trust. And when people trust you, they will buy from you. So I am Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and brand strategist, and I hope that you would subscribe and follow our channel and give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, you will get notified, and it really helps my channel if you become a subscriber. So until next time, join me in saying yes to success.